What is up, folks? It is your girl, Crystal, the Puzzle Fit Trainer, where we are putting those pieces together for total mind, body, and fitness. Today, we're going to be talking about a very special piece of equipment. This piece of equipment is one of the most underrated pieces of equipment in the gym, and it is called a Hex Bar. Some people may even call it a trap bar. I know that a lot of you guys go into a gym and you see a piece of equipment that's unfamiliar and you don't know what to do with it. Well, today I'm going to show you 5 different exercises that you can use with the Hex Bar.
The first exercise is going to be the Hex Bar Squat. So what I want you to do is go ahead and step into the center of the bar, fix those feet about shoulder width apart with the feet pointing forward, hinge at the hip, keep the chest up, head up. You see right here, I am pressing through the heels and straightening my hips at the top. So here's a front view. So go ahead and again, put those feet about shoulder width apart, feet pointing forward, hinge at the hip, keep the chest up, head up, straighten the hips at the top. Pressing through those heels, straighten those hips at the top. Next exercise is the Hex Bar Deadlift. The steps are almost identical, except we're going to flip the bar upside down. And what that's going to do is give us a bit more range of motion, because by flipping it, the bar is a bit more closer to the ground. So go ahead and step into the middle of the bar, fix those feet about shoulder width apart, hinge at the hip, grab those bars, keep that chest up, head up, press through the heels. Good. So here's a frontal view. Go ahead and place those feet about shoulder width apart, hinge at the hip. That bar being flipped, you see that I'm sitting more at a horizontal position. My head is up, I'm pressing through the heels, chest is up. But like I said, my body is more at a horizontal position. So it kind of looks like that my head and chest is not up, but it really is. The third exercise is the trap bar shrug. If you see here, those are called the traps. I do not need any help in this area. I wish I could delete those off my back, but we can't pick and choose what God gave us, so I digress. Go ahead and get into the center of the bar, feet in neutral position. Go ahead and hinge at the hip, grab the bar, stand up straight, and just shrug those shoulders, really focusing on the traps. So here's the side view, and we're merely just shrugging those shoulders up, 1, 2, back down, up, 1, 2, back down. All right, moving on, we're going to be doing the stiff leg deadlift. Now with the stiff leg deadlift, you can place your feet close together, neutral, or a wide stance. And what that's going to do is hit different angles of the hamstrings. So first I'm going to do a close stance deadlift. Then we're going to do neutral, and that's going to hit more of the back of the hamstrings. And then we're going to do our feet wide. Okay, you can also point your toes out just a little bit, and that's going to hit the outer part of the hamstrings. And this is a side view. Again, we're just doing close stance, hinging at that hip, squeezing the glutes at the top. Now we're going to do neutral. And wide stance. All of the foot placements, we are still hinging at the hip, getting a good stretch in those hamstrings, coming back up, squeezing those glutes at the top. Last but not least, the Hex Bar bent over rows. You want to pick the bar up, let it hang, get a good stretch in those lats, keep the spine neutral, and roll the bar back. Your hands are already in a neutral position, palms facing the body, and just merely roll the bar. Repeat for desired reps.
I hope that you guys enjoyed learning some exercises of how to use the Hex Bar. If you have some additional exercises that you want to share with us, comment below. I will see y'all on another day.